Okay, guys, all you people in South Carolina, I don't know if you see this right now. This is the most insane thing I've ever seen in my life. This is what we got on the ground so far. There's a couple little tracks in it, but just so you can get an idea, there wasn't anything up here a couple hours ago. There's my ruler, right in there. So you can see that it's, here, I'm going to venture out into this so you can see there's so much snow that the trees are actually drooping under the weight of the snow. And this is down our street, and this is on top of everything. It looks like so far we've probably gotten, I would say, better than 10 inches. It's a lot. So, anyhow, guys, yeah, it sucks. Bye.